Advantages and disadvantages of VAT registration. VAT registration is a legal requirement when taxable turnover for the previous 12 months crosses £85,000, 2018 to 19, or it is expected to go beyond this figure in the next 30 days. However, voluntary VAT registration is not obligatory for any small business with a taxable turnover, which is not expected to exceed £85,000. Moreover, it can be advantageous to do so. There are many factors to consider before registering voluntarily. What is VAT? Value-added tax, VAT, is charged on the most of the goods and services provided by VAT-registered business in the UK, along with some goods and services imported from non-EU countries, which will be imported into the UK from other EU countries. VAT-registered businesses add VAT to the sale price of goods services when they sell to commercial and non-commercial consumers. Moreover, they can reclaim the VAT they have paid when buying goods or services. If they are not registered for VAT, they will not reclaim any of the VAT they pay. You should be registered for VAT to charge or reclaim it on anything you sell or purchase. The advantages of voluntary VAT registration. The threshold for VAT registration is now set at £85,000 for 2018-19. This can seem like huge income, but it is vital to remember that this figure refers to taxable turnover, that is the overall income generated from those sales. This is why the majority of small businesses and limited companies are legally required for VAT registration are provided below. The VAT can be applied to the sale cost of almost all goods and services offered. The VAT can be reclaimed on most goods or services purchased from other businesses. Small businesses can offer the appearance of being bigger and more established, which can seem attractive to clients, lenders, investors and suppliers, who will assume their turnover is more than £85,000, as the businesses are VAT registered. Companies registered with VAT are provided with a VAT number. This can be displayed on invoices, letterheads, websites and other forms of business stationery, can be lucrative to other firms, majority of which will not be willing to get involved with a company that is not VAT registered and, therefore, considered to be small. Voluntary registration can be outdated by up to 4 years if HMRC has been supplied with enough evidence. This implies that businesses may be able to reclaim VAT paid on equipment it is still using. Before we go to the next point, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by RTRSupportsLimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in one day. Please visit RTRSupportsLimited.com for more information. The disadvantages of voluntary VAT registration. The VAT can hinder the appeal of goods and services to customers who will not be VAT registered, mainly if the final cost of the sale is overpriced. Businesses can get huge VAT bill from HMRC if they generate more VAT from goods and services sold than the VAT paid on goods and services bought from other businesses. More paperwork and supervision is inescapable of VAT registration. Businesses need to keep all VAT invoices and receipts, maintain VAT accounting records, and file VAT returns quarterly. Thanks for watching. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comment section below, we'll answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.